Hello, my name is John Lucas Akandi. I'm a sophomore here at Loyola University of Maryland. My major is marketing, and I'm going to talk about the campus life and the school culture. So the vibe I get here on campus is a very warm, welcoming, and fun vibe. There's a ton of clubs and organizations to get involved in on campus, and that makes it such a warm feeling because you can get involved so easily. There's so many opportunities to get involved, and having that community and having that opportunity to join a certain community is awesome. The vibe here is very fun because people are very friendly and very open to conversations, you know? So with all the opportunities to get involved, I can get involved easily and make friends and talk to people, and there's so many events that happen on campus that it's fun. It's fun. So first, there's an app called The Bridge, and on The Bridge, you can find events happening at this day and time. It's so awesome. So if you're bored one day and you're wondering, oh, what's happening today? You can go on The Bridge and see what's happening today. They post flyers on the walls in, the buildings of your classrooms or buildings of your dorms, and you can see there, oh, okay, this is happening on this day. Like, those flyers make it easier for you to see what's happening on campus. Since day one I got here, I've been checking The Bridge. I've been, walking by buildings, seeing the flyers, and I've always been up to date on what's happening on campus. It's awesome. It's awesome. So the general feeling that I get when I'm on campus is a very community feeling. Since the student population here is not massive, it has that perfect balance where you can meet plenty of awesome people. But since there's not so many people, you don't feel like one more. You feel like a community. You are in a community. You are recognized. When you walk on campus, you see people. Oh, what's up, man? Oh, what's up? That feeling is very, it's a very warm and friendly feeling. It's a very community feeling that I get, it's awesome. It's awesome.